It's Debbie from Shine Sticker Studio, here to show you some recent things I've purchased. I was recently on Instagram and I saw Lisa Marie live video with all the orders that she recently had. And this was one of them, an order from Oh Hey Cat Buns on Etsy. And so I promptly went over and I ordered because I am such a cat lady and I thought these were great. So that's the freebie, and then she included this cute little card and with a handwritten note, which is very, very sweet. If you'd like to pause and read that, you may. And then there is this adorable little sticker that I wanted because this looked like Zuko and Momo, two of my 5 cats. And then this was just so rainbowy purple. I just love it. So I haven't yet figured out where to put that, but I will. There was also a corgi notepad, which I passed on to Chelsea because I knew she would love it. And then these are the stickers that I got. Cute little emojis there, kitty form. And since I'm always doing laundry, every week I put that in my planner, like I'm gonna forget. And then there's some date covers. So there's that. Next up, we have a little something from Bubba Bear Studios. I was at the Chicago Planner Conference last weekend and I stopped by their booth, which was adorable. I just love their little booth. It was so cute. I wanted some of these stickers that they had. I love how big these are. I'm into big stickers lately, so this is right up my alley. And I can use this in so many ways. Of course, if I see something that I can write in, I'm gonna grab that too. So those little clipboard stickers. And then this was just adorable. I couldn't walk away from this. It's just too stinking cute. I mean, come on. How adorable is that? The little frog. Oh my god. And the little ducks. Just adorable. I can't wait to use these. I didn't even see this. They stuck that in the little envelope. Isn't that cute? How adorable. Aww. That was so sweet of them. Next up, we have Pineberry Paper. What a cute little bag. I stopped by their booth and flipped through their albums of these large stickers, and I just was mesmerized. I just love the detail and the colors. It's so pretty. What pretty art. A lot like Ginny's, my youngest. Kind of similar. But I thought these so pretty in my planner, so I had to get them. Aren't they gorgeous? Next up, and this is a very small little purchase, is from Raspberry Designs. I hope I'm not mispronouncing that. But I'm a sucker for banners, and if they're black and white, that'll go with anything. So, of course, I had to get these. So, I'll be putting those to good use for sure. And then this, my oldest Rachel, she was with me when we stopped by this booth, and she just loved this sticker, so I had to get it for her. Those who know what this is. She had to explain it to me. I mean, I like Taylor Swift, but I would not call myself a Swiftie. Like, I don't go to concerts anyway. Not even of my favorite people. Now this last one is, there's a lot here. There's a good reason for that. This was the table that we had wanted, one of the tables we had wanted that we picked down the list of 12 different tables that we could choose from. This is one of them, and it's probably, if I were to guess who voted for this one, it was me. Because of this cat right here. She looks so much like my Callie that I just loved it. So yeah, I'm really happy to have discovered this shop. Her art is so cute. Now these, what I'm showing you here, was in a box on the table. So this is part of what we received. And see, she does a corgi too. So I thought Chelsea would like that. And then we have, you know, stuff for the Minnie and Mickey fans. And just so cute. So cute. So all of this was in a box. And there was a bunch of washi too, which I'll show you in a minute. I don't even know where to put this down because it's gonna, they're so thick with stickers. There's so many in there that if I just set it down, it's gonna disappear or slide. So I gotta put it in a bag. Now I will move on. I think this was in the box. I love the detail and the colors. And I like the paper too. I want to ask them where they got it. So isn't that sweet? Have a beautiful day. They're so cute. And then wait, I think I bought this. She happened to be set up next to us at the marketplace, which I thought was so cool because I didn't have to go far, but I did have to squeeze out the time to go and visit her booth and a few others. That's why I don't have very much, because I just didn't have much time. Cute but prickly. It's kind of me right now. I kind of look like that, especially on the couch where I'm sitting. And I bought these donuts. And here's some more of this cat. She just looks like my Callie. Now my Callie is a dilute calico. So this is a little bit different, but she sure could pass. Now I think this was in the box because it's in the bag, and I think this was in the box on the table. So I should really open those up, and I think I will. Let me start with this one. I don't even think I may have peeked, but I didn't really take them out of the bag, so I'm doing that now. And I like her vinyl. It's very nice. I like these. That's my jam for sure. Nice big date covers. These are all very functional. Very nice. Lots of boxes here. Look how adorable this washi is. This little critter is sitting there roasting a marshmallow. It's so cute. I apologize if this critter has a name. I don't know yet what the name is. Like I said, she's a new shop to me, so I look forward to getting to know the character names if they have names, and I think they probably do. Let's see, this is the other kit that was in the box. I've actually put away a lot of the contents of the box, but I have some nearby that I can grab. So we've got these full boxes here, and it's laid out very similarly to the other kit. different colors and a different theme. So, yeah, very nice. All the boxes, very generous with the boxes. And I love that washi. It's very pretty. Cute. Now this was in the box. So this is a sparkly decal. That's probably an overlay. Very nicely done. This was in the box. So there's even more stickers. So she really spoiled the people who sat at her table, I have to say. It's all very nice. And wait till I show you the washi. Very generous. So we've got these little highlighters, little hearts. That could be used for reading, planning, anything. Computer, gaming. Okay, very nice. Wow, I'm excited to use those. And here's another card. Yep, very nice. Very cute, this little critter with the little heart-shaped nose. And this was in the box, I think. I'm trying to remember what I bought. Actually, I bought 2 kits, so I think I bought 2 and was gifted 2. So, I couldn't tell you which one. I'm pretty sure this was in the box. Yeah, look how cute. Oh, different stickers than the other one. Maybe I bought those other ones. I might have. Yeah, this is a little different. But very nice. Very classic in the, oh, this is the other kit that's on the back side. Yeah, so this was definitely in the box. Look how pretty. All the cherry blossoms. I love cherry blossoms. I love cherries. Man, I could eat cherries all summer long. I wish I could get them all year long. I wouldn't stop. I'd have them every night if I could. And I would not get tired of them. Look how gorgeous this washi is. Oh my goodness. So pretty. Wow. Very nice. I can't wait to use these. I'm excited about these stickers. And this, I think, was in the box. And I saw it at the booth and I was like, I could get those. Even though I never really messed with those little Tamagotchis or whatever you call them. Yeah, I guess that's what you call them because that's what it says. Look at that, Tamagotchi. Yeah, that was, I was a little busy being a mom to 2 little kids who love this stuff. Yep, there's my kitty. And there's Penny, Chelsea's dog. It's like she drew these characters from our pets. How cute is this? In the window, like Romeo and Juliet. So cute. You're amazing. Good morning. How cute. These are really nice. Really pretty. Aww. So yes, honestly, this is the first time I'm really looking at it. So these reactions of mine are genuine. I'm not faking it. Not that I ever fake it, I don't, but some videos I've watched of other people and I'm like, they're faking it. I don't fake it though. Let's see. Look how cute. Oh my goodness. There's the Tamagotchis. Okay, the washi tape I put in here. This is a little bag that somehow wound up in my possession during the weekend. Couldn't tell you where I got it, but everybody got one of these, and it had a whole bunch of candy and a lot of goodies in it, and it just makes a great little pouch. So I put all the washi in here. If I could get it out, that'd be great. So I'm thinking that's all of them, but I may be missing a roll or two. I didn't count them, but it seemed like a lot, and it does. So we have this really wide washi. I should swatch it out, shouldn't I? That is very nice. I like the gradation in the background color. It's very pretty. Look how pretty that is. That's gorgeous. So there you go. That is all I have to show. So I'm done, and I'm gonna call it a night. Love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.